holiday cookies. And I want to introduce you to my extra helpers today. My name is Denella and we are also part of the home visiting program. So it's such a great program. And this is Dante. Say hi, Dante. Hi. And this is Legacy. And then this is Lianu. Lianu, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So what they're gonna do is everything is measured out. You all have a recipe of the ingredients listed. You have your flour, your almonds. If you don't want almonds, that's okay. We were gearing towards a holiday themed blue corn cookies, so we added cranberries to this recipe. And we also added maple syrup. Legacy, you need to put that into the bowl.
How many?
The whole entire bowl.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have Dante here pour. Yes, go ahead and crack your eggs. I'm going to have Dante over here pour the baking powder and the salt into the bowl as well. So can I have you pour that into this bowl, please? No, you got to pour like this. Can you do that? Okay. Good job. Yes, that's fine.
Mom, can I do this?
You want to pour it in. Pour it in. There you go. Okay, so that was our sugar, baking powder, and salt. Okay. Leon is working on this, on the egg. Legacy, can I have you do 3/4 cups of blue corn? So you want to fill this, and you want to do it 3 times. Can you do that?
3 times?
Yes.
No.
So you want to pour that in there. Okay. Wait. You can use the spoon too.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You can use the spoon to fill it.
Okay.
Okay. So that's 1. So that'll be 2. Okay.
Stop.
Okay. Dante, don't do that, please. Can I have you pour this brown sugar in here, please? Put it in there. Good job. Good job.
Let's put it right here.
There you go. I've worked in with my kids in the kitchen many times, so they're pretty much familiar with being big helpers in the kitchen, and it helps them build confidence. And especially when you're opening eggs, you know, they make a mess. We add shells to our cookies, and that's okay. Yes, that's our 3rd one. So we're good on that. So it's really fun to work with your kids in the kitchen, especially when it comes to baking. All right, so Dante's almost done with the brown sugar, and then also with our last egg. That's okay. Go ahead and pick it up and drop it in there. Up. Okay. So here we have a situation. We are going to have Legacy put the butter in a 1 cup measure. I said to use this butter just because it's already soft. It works great in baking. So it's easy to manage when you're stirring by hand. So Legacy, I'm going to have you put that into the measuring cup.
Can I do it?
Yes. We have our cranberries going in. We have our eggs. Our next is going to be our butter.
Okay.
Here, let's pull this away first.
Like this?
Hold on. Wait, let her put the butter in.
Okay. That's okay.
You have long arms. It's fine. Okay.
Mommy.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Go ahead and, Liana, can you pour the cranberries into the, there you go. Pour it in there.
I put it.
Okay. Let me help you get the rest out. There's just a little bit in there.
Mom, all of these?
That's
All
fine.
of these? No. I want to try? No.
It's okay. You're going to do something else here in a minute. Okay. Good job.
Whole thing on it.
Okay, Legacy, can I have you stir everything together?
Okay.
Place our cookie dough in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. We finalized all the steps, and this is our chilled I left it in the cooler for about maybe 15 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and put it onto our cookie sheets. If you want gloves, great. If you have a cookie scooper, even better. So we want to take our cookie dough. It's pretty moist and sticky, so you want to work with it quickly. You don't want to take your time in rolling them into balls. So here we are. And I have placed almond on top of the cookies right before they go in. So I'll press a little bit on top. And then I'm going to take my almonds. I'm just going to put a generous amount onto the cookie. So you can choose whatever nut you'd like. So here we go. I'm going to leave it in the oven for about 8 minutes. Just until I see some slight browning happening around the edge of the cookie. You don't want to over bake these guys. We're using blue corn. So they dry out very, very easy. I guess that would be the proper description here. Okay, so these are going straight into the oven. We'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, so here is our finished product. And like I have said, you want to look for the browning on the edge of the cookie. And you want to, don't bother your cookies for about maybe 5 minutes. Let them cool. And then go ahead and take them off of the pan. Here is our holiday blue corn cookies. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for joining me today in my home and my family. And happy holidays to you, and enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions, if something didn't work out, please reach out. All right, happy holidays.